Hey, how are you? It's me, Penny again. I'm back with more digital art goodies. Previously, we discussed what hardware is, why digital art is needed, the three types of graphic tablets, and which ones beginners should get. Today, we are going to find out how to install our graphic tablets drivers into our devices. If you're wondering why you need to learn this, well, your graphic tablet can't run without being installed. Don't worry, it will take you less than 10 minutes to get the whole thing running. Let's get right into it. The first step is to plug the USB cable into your tablet and computer. Graphic tablets have two-ended cables, so just plug them in accordingly. When you're done plugging, you're done with step 1. Pretty simple, right? The next step will require you to go online. So, search your tablet's model, then add the words driver installer next to it. For example, if I have the Wacom Intuos S, I'll search Wacom Intuos S driver installer. Doing this will lead you to Wacom's site and the exact driver installer for your graphic tablet. You will also be presented with different driver links for Mac and Windows, so just pick the one you own. Then, simply download the driver to your device. And just like that, you're done with step 2. The next and final step is to actually install the driver. It won't take hours, so just let it run on your computer. Wacom has always been making the installation process easier over the years, so just let it do its business for you. After it says it's done installing, use the stylus that comes with the graphic tablet. Your cursor should be moving according to where you're pointing on the graphic tablet screen or surface. And hey, if your cursor isn't moving around when using your pen tablet, just restart your device again. And after a few minutes of letting the driver install itself, congratulations! Your graphic tablet is good to go and the world is ready to witness the wonderful art you are yet to create. Thank you for watching this video. That was pretty easy, right? Don't worry, things are bound to get easier because you're getting better. Stick around to the next video where I teach you how to customize your graphic tablet's pen sensitivity, pen customization, and why doing so is crucial in your digital art journey. See you in the next episode and stay creative!